So today we are unboxing this Scapia card. Now they removed international launch access. Apart from that, I think all the features are same, and we need to spend around 10,000 per month. So this will be boxing. So it will come in this kind of packaging. Okay. So in this stickers will be there, some stickers. This are the charges booklet. So this also explaining the features. Is like 0 forex and all. Only benefit is 0 forex. So this will be unboxing experience feedback. And now the card itself. So you can see card.